Get ready for that. And for some of this.
If I pull the plug from here, the whole thing can go down. This one. 3, 2, 1. So it was Spanish week on Cooking with the Stars.
And as you can see behind us, we're saying adios to Dame Kelly Holmes.
Let's see what we got up to behind the scenes today.
This is Extra Helpings. Hello, hello. Hello. How are we doing, guys? What's been happening in the kitchen?
I can't take you seriously.
I've never had a conversation with a table before.
Now, guys, it's Spanish week. And being Spanish week, we thought that we was going to play a game in honour of La Tomatina.
See.
Yeah?
Excellent.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah, they'll throw. You've seen it on the travel programmes, Emma. They've all done it. Where it's a town that loves tomatoes so much they all throw the old ones at each other.
Oh, he knew! I'll tell you what, you saved me because I keep asking what it is.
La tomatina.
I keep forgetting.
I'm not having anyone throw tomatoes at me in this.
Well, you haven't
Yeah, we're
got to
not
worry
great
about
for
it,
that.
Emma.
Yeah, you're
So-
right, you're safe.
The rules are very simple as always. You guys are going to be chucking tomatoes at our faces, and we have to catch them in our mouths. Oh! Tom, you're with me. Emma, you're with Woody. No, one at a time.
Just say El Tomatina sounds like it's my drag name.
Oh, nice. Another exclusive
Now
on Extra
I want to
Helpings.
see.
Tomatina.
So there's 1 minute. The team that catches the most tomatoes in their mouths wins. You ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Tom!
Tom, just stick it in there.
Oh, a bit high, Tom.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Wait, what's he got?
Stop it!
Set me up, set me up.
A bit higher, Tom. Oh, come on, yeah, one more. Tom, we're on a roll. Oh, come on, how many's he got, Tom?
Oh, I keep missing.
Oh, a bit higher. Come on, just get it.
Now we're on a roll. Come on,
Get
Em.
in my hole, Tom. Yes! Oh, Tom, come on. Oh, lower. Lower, Tom. Yes! Vamos!
I didn't really want to get any in.
No.
How did you do?
I've got 5.
Well, we got 7.
Another great game.
Another great game. We're going to play all of these around your house.
Oh no, not the carpet.
Emma and Tom, everybody.
Cheers, guys. Thank you.
We've just been testing the shot collars, and we're about to do it with Anton du Beke.
Look at my hands, Joe. I'm sweating. I'm really not in a good place. I hate being shot.
What do you want, green or pink, Glens?
I don't care what I have. I said to the producers, I said, pull the segment. Let's not do it.
Do you know what they did? Kept the segment in. We're Woody and Kleiny.
This is Anton du Beke.
And this is Shocking Dancing.
You're not meant to press him now!
I'm terribly sorry.
Right, Anton, can you teach us some dancing?
I most certainly
Yeah.
can. It'd be my pleasure.
Okay, let me just get this straight though.
Yeah.
Once you've taught us these dance moves,
Yes.
we're then going to have to perform it to you.
Please.
Trying to please you as best as we can.
Best as you can.
To get the best score, whilst you are pressing the shot collars.
Only if you don't do it very well.
So if we make a wrong move, we get shocked.
Oh, God.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, good luck, mate.
Good luck.
All I can say is the very best of luck to you.
Cheers, Anton.
Cheers.
This is Shocking Dancing with Anton du Beke. Jesus Christ! Hold on, where am I? Jesus Christ! And 2, and 5, and 6. Okay, hold on. Why did I go the wrong way? Anton! Did I go the wrong way? Did I go the wrong way? Anton!
goes. Go on, Woody, lad. Here he goes. And... Whoa! I'm going to stay! Do the turn! No, the other turn! Okay. Go! Give a round of applause. Oh! Okay.
You are too...
Yeah, let's get rid of those.
Get rid of those, Woody.
That was shocking dancing.
So if you could give Woody a score and me a score.
Oh, God.
We won't look.
Oh, this is a big moment for me because I'm a massive Strictly fan.
Yes.
For the two-step,
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
for your
Yeah.
dance performance,
Proud of you, mate. Wow! Well done. Okay, for me.
and your overall quality and development as a dancer,
Yes.
I think we'll go with a 101.
Dog, you've blown it out of the water. I'm going to do an air
Sorry, there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, Anton du Beke!
Thank you!
Thank you very much.
Cool. I need to relax after that. Do you know what we need? A nice recommendation from Fred.
Okay, we're back at M&S. Fred, what?
Fred, what
are you up to,
doing?
mate?
It's Spanish week. I'm practicing my flamenco.
Oh, nice.
We've got more important things to be doing, Fred. You need to stop
Fred,
for me and go,
What,
come in, we've got
what do you mean more important things to do?
be
Playing
doing.
a silly card
It's
game?
not a silly game. This is the best game you're ever going to play.
Now, Fred,
Okay.
it's Spanish week, and
Oh,
this is...
handle it with care. This is
not learned
Lomas
anything.
del Marquez. It's
Yes.
a 2015 Reserva from the classics range. Perfect. Actually, you were telling me about your girlfriend?
Yes.
You need a bottle of wine?
Yes.
This is the wine for you. She's gonna love it. And I tell you what, this is perfect with paella.
Ah, just like Dr. Ange's dish. He had a lovely paella, didn't he, Fred? So
Exactly.
that is perfect. Thank you very much, mate.
So he gets a bottle of wine for his girlfriend and I get nothing, Fred.
Just explain the game.
Okay, right,
Okay.
so the game. We're going to take it in turns, blowing the cards off. The last card to leave this glass loses. They get the water, the winners get the wine.
All right, then.
Okay, we ready, guys?
Go on, Woody.
I'm going
You're
first.
first. There we go.
Oh,
Nice,
yeah!
Woods. Go on, Fred, you're in.
We're gonna be here all day.
Fred,
We're gonna be here all day.
Fred, that's not a win for you. You
That's
get the
not the
water
aim
now,
of the
you
game.
lose.
It's all right, I'm thirsty.
It don't work like that, Fred. Let's go again. One more go. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Yes!
Okay.
That's one
That was a
card
good
as well.
start
That was a
from Woody.
great start.
No,
Yeah.
don't think about it, Fred.
Wow! Oh, wow.
Fred,
I'm a hard blower.
you're a very hard
Good
blower.
luck to you, guys.
Okay.
That's good.
Professional.
Ooh la la.
Great technique,
Professional,
that.
professional.
Not so professional.
Go on, Woods. Carefully does it, Woody. Go from the top. Yes, Woody.
Ooh la la.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
You're the Tiger Wood of the card blowing game. Look at that.
Careful.
Yeah, go on, Fred!
Oh, no.
Yes.
How many's left?
Wow.
Look at that.
There's about 2 left, I think.
No, there's more than that.
How many
4 or
left?
5.
News
You
for me.
reckon?
Come on, just blow it.
Fred, it's...
Oh, mate! Yes!
What are you going to do?
Oh, I've got no choice, have I?
Yes, Fred! We're the winners.
Cheers.
Cheers. Fred Serie X. On extra
Kleiny,
helpings.
yeah.
We love Fred.
What a guy.
Don't tell Emma and Tom, but we managed to sneak backstage to all the control rooms.
That's just sound. Nothing else, just sound. Tied over top. That's sound too. It's not. In there, so the real stuff happens. There's lighting. In here, this is the brains to it all. So ultimately, if I pull the plug from here, the whole thing can go down. This one. 3, 2, 1.
Power back up. Lights, camera, recap.
So much tension here today.
It was brains versus brawn when chaser Anne Hegarty
Lamb is undercooked.
cooked against Olympian Dame Kelly Holmes.
You can do it, Kelly. You can do it.
Followed by Dr. Ange
A crispy bottom is something people want, isn't it?
They do want a crispy bottom.
And TV personality Maura Higgins.
You're going down, Dr. Ange. You're going down.
True to her word, Maura knocked Range into the cook-off with Kelly.
Got one that's still got a thing on the end.
Oh,
But unfortunately, she didn't win gold today.
The winner of the cook-off is Dr. Ranch.
I can run home now, right?
Kelly will join us for a chat in a bit, but first, here's us having a go at those cheeky churros ourselves.
Welcome back to the Extra Helpings Kitchen. We're joined by M&S chef Chris Baber. Woo! Yes! Legend!
Now, Chris, this was the shocker that eliminated Kelly Holmes in her cook-off against Dr. Ranch. Are churros that difficult to make?
Yeah. Boys, if you're in a cooking competition on ITV with a million cameras and a clock against it, yeah, they probably are quite hard to make.
Can you explain this dish in 20 seconds for us?
I can give it my best shot.
Let's do it. You done it last week.
Yeah.
You love a challenge.
Yeah,
I do love a challenge. Come on.
I'm going to get my stopwatch up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
And 3, 2, 1, go, Chris!
Right, salted caramel, sugar and water, bring it to a boil, add some cream and a bit of butter, a good pinch of salt. Now your chocolate sauce, that's melted chocolate with some cream, a little bit of syrup. Now the batter, you're going to bring water to a boil, stir in some butter, then we add the flour with a pinch of salt, stir in the eggs, take it off the heat. Now you pipe that batter into the deep fat fryer and snip it off, and then you're going to fill it with that salted caramel, toss it in the cinnamon sugar and dip it in the chocolate sauce. That's it.
Oh! The score is in, ladies and gentlemen, and Chris Baber done it in!
21 seconds!
He's out by 1 second.
I'm devastated for you.
I'm actually gutted. I'm properly annoyed at myself.
That was still very impressive, Chris.
Right, Chris, what's your challenge for us today, mate?
Your challenge today is to make the perfect churros. So, this is all about quality over quantity.
Yep.
I want to see it perfectly piped. I want to see it perfectly filled and rolled in the cinnamon sugar. It's all about the presentation, so you can take your time on this one.
You ready, champ?
Well, I don't know. Let's do it. Come on.
Right, challenge your weights.
Yep.
I'm going to count you in.
Okay.
In 3,
Yep.
2, 1. Off you go. Come on. Nice and tight at the top of the piping bag.
Oi, oi, Savaloy. Always done this before, ain't he?
Careful with delicate.
Oh, did you see the technique on that?
I did, and that looks fantastic.
There we go.
Yeah, good work, Klein Dogs. I'm going to clap that in, actually. Everyone clap that in. Well done.
All right, I'm coming out. Here we go.
Take it out. Take it out. Let's go.
Look at that! Oh, I think I'm ready. There we go.
Delicate touch.
I've got to say, Klein, right now I'm very proud of you.
Got one split fingers.
Thank you.
You know why?
Oh, here comes the bad part.
No, you know why, though?
Why?
Because usually, like, you're really rubbish.
Oh!
No, but it's a compliment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, it's a compliment. You're usually really rubbish.
This is so close to call. I'm going to need the crew's help on this one, so I want a big cheer if Woody is your winner. Hey! And for Kleiny?
Yes, Chris.
Well done. I got a consolation.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah.
I'll pay you all later. I'll pay you all later.
I got a consolation cheer there, didn't I?
Yes. Chrissy Babe, everybody.
Chrissy Babe!
I'm getting stuck.
Guys, come over. We're lucky. Look, we've got Rosemary here. Me and Klein have been talking. Obviously, we're like best friends. Have we got any goss? Any goss?
Amongst the chefs or the celebs, there's got to be a little bit of goss going.
Little extra helpings exclusive.
Oh, well, extra, what can I say? Oh, we rather like our gin and tonics in the evening.
Oh,
Right,
dear.
okay.
Oh, it's all
Right.
coming out now.
Oh, right,
Yes.
okay.
I mean, I shouldn't be telling you this.
It makes me feel better about myself, to be honest.
Tell you what, cut now. We won't put that in.
Don't put that in, Rosemary.
Okay.
Don't
Right.
put it in.
We'll see you later.
We will put that in.
You
will
never
put
said
in.
No, I
that.
didn't tell you that.
Don't worry, we'll
It's not
put
going to make the edit.
Okay.
Cheers,
Right.
Rosemary.
It will make the edit. It will make the edit. Shh, don't say nothing.
I'll tell you what is making the edit, though. The exit interview with Dame Kelly Holmes. Legend.
It's all been going off. We're now heading to do the exit interview for Extra Helping. Sorry. How you feeling?
You stay away from me at all.
We're going to be nice. We're going to be nice.
Right now, we're joined with Dame Kelly Holmes and her mentor, Ronnie.
Guys, thanks so much for joining us. First and foremost, have you enjoyed the show?
Yes. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun, hasn't it?
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, not being funny, you must have been absolutely buzzing when you found out that you had got an Olympic champion that you're pairing up with.
I was buzzing and then petrified.
Oh, yeah.
I would have been the same,
I
to be
don't
honest.
get nervous very much, but like in the presence of, you know, an absolute legend.
Yes.
I bet you thought she'd give you the runaround too, I don't know.
That's it. Now, Kelly, what happened in the cook-off against Dr. Range?
It is very difficult when you are completely blank on what something is, you know, like to produce something.
Yeah.
So it's hard. So I knew it had gone wrong. So I know when things go wrong, but it's then trying to rectify it to get it right. If you know what I mean.
Do you know what I've got to say? We was watching it unfold,
Yeah.
and it was really impressive to see how you just wasn't giving up. How did you keep so cool under the pressure and the fact you had about 10 seconds left?
Well, I'm kind of used to it.
Some gold medals.
I don't know. You know, you just want to get something out. You know, I wanted to make Ronnie proud. What my sort of being is don't give up until the end.
How did it compare to like when you're getting ready for a race, and obviously what you go through preparing for a race and then preparing to do something like this on a show like this?
Yeah.
Is there any similarities? Is there anything you take from, like, obviously your days on the track?
I'm not sure.
I don't know. Let's find out.
No,
is there anything?
It's a really good question, you know, because it's like anything, you know, you don't always win on everything. Cooking is hard. That's why you've got brilliant chefs.
What's one kind of cooking tip that you'll take from Ronnie in the future, like when you're cooking at home?
Salt brings out the flavour, pepper changes.
Hey.
There you go.
Oh, love that, Kelly.
I remember something.
It's an exclusive.
On that note,
I remember something.
Cap it right there. Now, Kelly, we know you're always up for a challenge, all right?
Yeah.
Now, if you think that show had challenges, nothing, because here is the real challenge. It's time for the Percy Pig Challenge. Percy! That's it, you did it. Amazing. So it is challenge time. It is the Percy Pig Biscuit Challenge. You've got to stack your tower as high as you can, and you have 20 seconds to do so.
You can only use one hand, and however many Percy Pig biscuits are remaining, at the end of the 20 seconds is your score. Okay, here we go.
I've been in competition today.
Here we go. And 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're on. 4.
Oh, there's 5 already. That was clever technique. 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's 9 or 10, but I'll count them after.
10 seconds left, everybody.
Okay. Take your time, Kelly.
Oh, gosh, Kelly.
Okay, I see what she's done here. She's thinking about all the
Leaning
balancing.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Kelly! Oh no! Okay. Oh, 1.
2 hurdles, yeah?
2. Yeah, 3. 4.
4 Percy Pig biscuits! I forgot that was coming. I forgot about that.
Completely forgot that was coming.
All right.
Well done, Kelly.
Kelly, that puts you second in the leaderboard. It's out of 2.
No,
out of 2. It was out of 2.
Thank you so much for joining us, guys.
Yes.
Thank you.
No one goes home empty-handed from extra helpings, do they, Kleiny?
No. I think these could be for Kelly, these ones. She could put her trotters in those, can't she? There we go. That's for you.
And literally, this is an exclusive on Extra Helpings.
Yeah.
Ronnie is a massive Percy fan, which is why me and Kleiny decided to give him a hot water bottle, so he can cuddle it to sleep. There we go. There we go.
Oh, look, we're getting them on. Guys, Dame Kelly Holmes and her mentor, Ronnie.
Woo! Joining us. Okay, guys, if you want some more Extra Helpings and some tasty stuff from M&S, just click right here.
And don't forget to subscribe to the M&S YouTube channel, Percy, by clicking down here.